Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a full face of makeup using contour and highlight. So if you want to see what I will come up with, please keep on watching. Alright guys, so may pa-sweater at pa-turtleneck tayo today just because weather is getting better and cooler. Okay, so first, I'm going to do my eyebrows para lang medyo frame ang ating mukha. I'm going to use this Bobby Cosmetics Insta Runway Ready. Yung darkest shade niya. While we're at it, meron pa akong natirang konting concealer dito. So, takpan na natin yung aking kaibigan dyan. Now, we're going to blend that. I'll be using this, the same tip concealer. Okay, so now we're going to blend it using my F08. Yung contour muna.
입술의 결 따라 흐르네 우리가 언제나 이렇게 좋을 수 있다면 뭐라도 다 하겠어 너 입술이 내 볼에 도장을 남기면 난 멋있게 말하겠어 너는 내 여자고 우린 이제 구름 위로 가 내일 아침까지 흘러가
Mamaya ko na siya lalagyan ng powder. I'll just going to keep it aside para mag-set siya on its own pero hindi muna with powder. And I'm going to use the foundation stick on my eyes para gagawa tayo ng, for sure, this is going to be a very monotone na makeup look. Good for people who are minimalist. Minimalist kasi yun lang yung gagamitin nyo. Concealer at saka yung pang contour or pang bronze. I'll try to put eyeliner. Same shade, brown lang din. Doon sa dapat na crease. See, when I close my eyes, yun dapat yung maging crease niya. So, I'll blend this out. Well, now we're going to do my highlight. So, let's highlight. I'm going to be using my EV Advanced Glow Out Highlight. Using a brown eyeliner. Do my lashes, then set the face. Then I'll just use the contour powder na ginamit ko kanina and run it through my under eye. Just to look cohesive. So first, I'll set the contour. So just using the same e.l.f. contour, yung bronzer contour, pag mimix ko lang siya. So you can see, medyo mababa na siya. So, lilinisin natin siya later on. For my nose, yung ginamit ko sa mata, ito.
봤던 별보다 이쁘지 너에게로 이어지는 기분이 Can you be my la 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 Can you be my la 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 Can you be
Now, I'm going to use my butter bronzer, Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And magba-bronze lang ako.
너무 귀여워
Is this.
너가 있었으면 해
Now, we're going to use highlighter. And I'm going to use this one from Bobby Cosmetics, yung highlighter shade nilang puti.
멋있게 말하겠어 너는 내 여자고 우린 이제 구름 위로 가 내일 아침까지 흘러가 너 같은 너의 그 입술이 바다 같은 너의
Ayan, sa tip of my nose, and then just very slight lang.
너에게로 이어지는 기분이 Can you be my la 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 Can you be my la la
Gagamitin ko na lang tong Ever Velena na Touch of New York. Toast of New York kasi brown naman to.
너와 있고 싶어 오늘 밤이 다가도록 예 목을 안고 있어도 돼 너 우리
So, yan na guys. Ito na yung aking completed look ng contour and highlight only makeup except dun sa aking lipstick at syempre dun sa aking mascara. So, yan na siya. Very monotone lang. And, yan. May pakulot lang ng kaunti para girly ng very light. So, that is it guys. Now, if you want to recreate this for a very minimal makeup products, if you have a contour palette like this one, yung meron ng highlighter, pressed powder, pang set ng under eye, bronzer and contour, you're good to go. If you don't have, meron ang Bobby Cosmetics ng with blush na. So, ayan. With blush na siya. Complete with highlight, bronzer, blush, and contour. This is the one that I use for my brows today. So, it's very doable. Now, you will need concealer for your under eye, of course, to highlight everything. And I didn't use any foundation, just this one. And set it with no coverage powder like this. And then, of course, mascara and lipstick. Ayan, ganyan. And then, because I am oily, I had to use some setting spray kasi I put a lot of powder. So, just to melt everything in my face, I use setting spray. My giveaway is still ongoing and it will be drawn on December 1. Everything is in the description box. Please click the first link and it will take you doon sa aking mechanics ng giveaway. So that is it guys. If you like this video, please click the like, subscribe, and of course, turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!